The lifestyle check the president has ordered on all government officials entails disclosure of their statements of assets, liabilities, and net worth, or SALN. This is a directive which covers himself, which he vows to follow through on, as our Kenneth Paciente reports.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is ready to undergo a lifestyle check. That was emphasized by the palace after the president issued a directive to government officials amid the issue on the flood control projects. Malacanang said the president's directive will spare no one, which is why even the president himself will not hesitate to undergo the process.
Sinabi po natin na ang Pangulo, ang buong ehekutibo ay ready for lifestyle check. So wag po tayong lumayo sa issue. Ang issue po ngayon ay tuligsain at habulin ang mga involved sa flood control projects. So wag po natin ibahin at wag tayo medyo mamulitika patungkol dito.
Malacanang also assured the president's willingness and cooperation to make public his statement of assets and liabilities, or SALN, if necessary. This was the palace's response to a senator's challenge for the president's SALN full disclosure.
Kaya nga po ready po lahat. So kasama po yung SALN.
So, is the president willing to show his salary?
Kasama po sa lifestyle check. Pagka po nagkaroon lifestyle check, mauna, mahuli man ang Pangulo, kasama po yan.
So, willing po si presidente to show if necessary?
Kung kinakailangan nga po, sabi nga po natin, ulitin natin, lahat ng miyembro ng ehekutibo ready for a lifestyle check.
The SALN is a document submitted by all government employees and officials. It contains their assets such as houses, land, vehicles, businesses, and other properties, liabilities such as loans and mortgages, and net worth, which is computed by subtracting liabilities from assets. The purpose of the SALN is to ensure transparency and accountability of government officials. Meanwhile, the president strongly condemned the shooting of a contractor in Negros Oriental and stressed the incident must be thoroughly investigated. At the same time, he assured no harassment on anyone involved in anomalous flood control projects.
Alam naman natin kung ano ang nais ng Pangulo. Makasuhan ang dapat makasuhan, mapanagot ang dapat na mapanagot. At ipag-uutos pa rin ng Pangulo na dapat na seryosohin ito, lalo na ng mga PNP, para maiwasan kung anumang krimen ang maidudulot nito kaugnay sa pag-iimbestiga sa flood control projects.
The palace also pointed out the importance of public cooperation in going after corrupt contractors. This comes as netizens have also taken notice of the lavish lifestyle of relatives of contractors allegedly involved in questionable flood control projects.
Yan naman din po talaga ang naisin ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. na lahat-lahat po tayo ay magtulungan upang masawata itong mga korupsyon na ito. At hindi lamang po ang gobyerno, ang pamahalaan ang dapat kumilos, kundi ang taong bayan na nakakaalam ng mga nangyayari sa paligid nila. So mas maganda po talagang isumbong nila sa Pangulo itong mga ganitong klaseng insidente at kondisyon.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.